Hojai for Ganesh sir. Come on everybody, I request him to please join us on the stage. He is one of the 4 jury. Sir, आप बैठो उसके पहले. I will not miss this chance. Can you please share some few words?
क्या बोलूं? ये कहूँगा कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैं किसी रियलिटी शो पे जज ऐसे आया हूँ, और लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत यूनिक है, कुछ अलग है इसमें, तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा. वो डांसर्स जो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू मुझे मिलेंगे, यही कहूँगा. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you so much, sir. All right, now I request you please be seated. And now I request Rashmi to please join us on the stage. She's this Gujarati chokri who has made us so proud. She's a popular Indian television actor known for her role as Tapasya in the popular television series Uttaran. She's seen doing dancing moves in Jhalak and doing stunts in Khatron Ke Khiladi. Rashmi, what do you look in an actor? What is that one factor which should be there in an actor?
Total entertainment, I believe, and for actor, I don't think so. कोई limitations होनी चाहिए. Actor has to be, of course, entertainment की तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Timing बहुत अच्छे होने चाहिए. Emotions आप अपनी audience के साथ बहुत अच्छे से connect करो. That is more important. And I think ये सब मुझे सिर्फ मेरे dancing की वजह से मिला है. And yes, मेरे seniors से भी मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है, which I'm going to definitely share.
We have Harshi Mad. I request Harshi to please join us. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. She's a UK-based singer and she has done shows all across India, internationally, UK, Australia, America, Africa. Well, have you been to Africa? Do you know Swahili? Little bit. So Jambo. Habari gani zuri sana. So Harshi, tell me, what do you look in a singer? Like, tell us something about your journey. Tell us one thing which is so important to be a star.
I think a natural flair along with a lot of confidence and believe in yourself. That's very important, and obviously a God gift definitely always helps, I guess.
So she was a finalist of Indian Idol and Saragama, and it is amazing to have you. And now this gentleman I'm talking about, ek baar zordar taaliyan ho jaye for Sanjeev Rathod, and he's a very famous musician. उन्होंने बहुत सारे हिंदी movies में music दिया है, and I think music is something, you know, which I feel is equivalent to medicine. You know, it always heals, and you actually time travel when you listen to some good music. So I'm not going to ask you any question. एक line. Maybe. Or maybe you want to sing a song, or would you like to say anything?
Of course, I would just like to say कि music के बारे में तो यही कह सकते हैं कि it is endless. It is it is something that I don't think so कि यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में क्या world में कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसे music नहीं पसंद होगा. But I'm just hoping कि this show rocks, and I wish all the participants all the very best.
I have worked with Leslie sir. That's like one line that every singer adds. So I think Zorodar Taaliyan ho jaye. Your support, everyone's support is really, really important for us. And now I give it to Mal.
I'd like to ask Ganesh ji, sir, what if there are like 10,000 youngsters who are really talented? Do you think we'll give them an opportunity? How do you feel as a person? Matlab, you are like always there. So how do you feel? What kind of a opportunity do you feel? Will we select all of them? Will we give them an opportunity?
Of course, जीतेगा वही जिसके अंदर टैलेंट है, और टैलेंट तो बहुत सी जिंदगी में होता है, लेकिन यही मौका है कि आप अपने आप को प्रूव कीजिए, अपना टैलेंट दिखाइए डिजिटल के थ्रू. बहुत से लोग जैसे कहा कि उनके लड़के को सिलेक्ट नहीं किया गया, वैसे बहुत से लोग अभी यही मौका है, क्योंकि शायद आप लोगों ने मुझे रियलिटी शो पे देखा नहीं होगा, तो यहाँ पे हूँ जहाँ पे इन लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे कुछ 100 लोगों को, उसमें से हम लोग के पास आएंगे 20, उसमें से 4 मेरे पास आएंगे. तो मैं यही बोलूँगा कि यही मौका है, मार दो चौका एंड विन. दैट्स इट.
Rashmi, it is not very easy to get an opportunity in television or film studio. मतलब platforms बहुत सारे हैं, पर आने की opportunity बहुत difficult है. आपको क्या लगता है? Can you share some experience from your life on how easy to difficult it was, and some advice to the youngsters who want to come to
difficulties are always going to be there, and I think it's part of your life, so you should be happily face it. And I think that is what is your experience that will make your base even more strong, and as a person you are more stronger. Because अभी जैसा आपने एक सवाल किया था कि 40 हो या 400 हो, आप खुद ही इतने, तो आई थिंक इंडिया में इतना सारा टैलेंट है पर प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत कम लोगों को मिलता है. एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली ट्रू जो हितेश जी ने बताया दैट कि यू नो you are actually there at the gate, you're about to knock and somebody will just come and take your place. So this is a right platform. Do not waste your time. लंबी लंबी क्यू में नहीं खड़े रहना है. You don't have to wait and फिर बाद में वो पेट में जो constipation वाली feelings आती है वो नहीं होती. You just have to record, give your best shot, put it, and वो 5,000 रजिस्ट्रेशन में से जो बेस्ट 20 होंगे वो आगे आएंगे. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी एज एन एक्टर ऑल्सो टू फाइंड, बिकॉज एक ही जगह आपको सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, म्यूजिक, एक्टिंग और ये सारी चीज़ें आपको सीखने भी मिलेगी. एंड इट्स गोना बी पार्ट ऑफ योर जर्नी, एंड आप बहुत पॉलिश पे से आप आगे आ सकते हैं.
My question is, while the participants who are recording their acting video, what are those few things they have to take care of? You know, like make sure they do the do's and the don'ts.
यू नो जिनके पास आर्ट होता है, कला, उनको ना सेटिस्फेक्शन बहुत कम होता है. तो आप 500 बार भी रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और ऐसे ये वाला एंगल और वो वाला एंगल, जस्ट बी नेचुरल एंड गिव योर बेस्ट. और आपको एक ही टेक में आपको अपने आप को फॉरवर्ड करना है. अगर बेस्ट होगा तो आप बेस्ट 20 में होंगे और नहीं होगा तो फिर सेकेंड सीजन में आप होंगे.
Thank you so much. I think usually they say that जब शूटिंग करते हैं ना तब बहुत सारे टेक्स लेते हैं, लेकिन जो फर्स्ट सेकंड टेक होता है वही ओके टेक होता है.
नहीं नहीं, रिहर्सल्स करते हैं फिर उसके बाद 1 टेक होता है. ओके, that was a joke. Sorry.
Musicians, maybe they are guitarists, or maybe they want their music directors.
Yeah.
What are the things they should do, and what is it they should not do actually?
Well, firstly, I would say कि this is a great platform because जैसे कि हम सभी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, and hats off to Hitesh and Harvijay जी जिन्होंने ये concept खड़ा किया, because digital is going to be the future, and it is going to be the biggest future. So this is a great opportunity for every musician, artist, I would say artist basically. हाँ, जहाँ तक म्यूज़िक का सवाल है तो म्यूज़िक is always from the heart, from the soul, you know. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि try to touch souls of the judges, of the audience, and if you do that, I'm sure you will be in the top 20 and top 4 as well, and you can of course win this great show.
Music in your blood, but it was not easy. So tell us about how it was not easy for you, so they don't think it's like they are the only ones.
Well, see, easy तो कुछ भी नहीं है दुनिया में. किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे कोई भी चीज़ easy होती नहीं है. As Rashmi said, as sir said कि मेहनत, आपके हाथ में सिर्फ मेहनत है. Luck is all up to the Almighty. वो उनके ही लिए छोड़ देते हैं. Give your best shot. बहुत सारी मेहनत करिए, लगन से करिए. Try to touch the heart and the soul, and you will be the winner for sure. Thank you so much.
The good thing we have for the singing, we have 2 categories. We have the solo singers and also the group category also. So it'll be top 40. And if you say singing from the soul, I mean, music itself is straight from the heart. And if you get to touch someone's heart through your singing, through your music, through your dancing, through your acting, everything, in fact, there's nothing like it. I think that is the key to be a winner in this.
I have a question. Are you a born singer or it's an acquired talent?
It's definitely acquired talent. मतलब बचपन से मैं थोड़ा गुनगुना रही थी. डांसिंग का भी ज़्यादा शौक था, एक्टिंग का भी कीड़ा था और सब कुछ कर रही थी और सब साथ साथ में I was singing a lot more than the other stuff, so I stuck to singing.